welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our amazing assignment is Chapter 11, Time and Money, Sadhana Workbook Workout, question number 3 and 4. So, coming to first one, color the amount of money you need to buy each item. So, we have to color, take any one color. Take any one color. Color the amount of money you need to buy each item. So what is the cost of car? 37 rupees. So how much is required? 37. So 37 we can write as the note, 20 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 5 rupees coin or note and 2 rupees coin. So we have to color it. 20 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 5 rupees coin and 2 rupees coin. Okay, you can color your favorite color. Use your favorite color. You can color the correct amount. Correct amount, children. Next one, 25 rupees. What is the cost of toy lorry? That is 25 rupees. So we can take 10 rupees here because they did not give 20 rupees note. So 10 rupees coin, again 10 rupees coin. Now directly you can take 5 rupees because here 2 rupees are required, but we have 1 2 rupee and 1 rupee. It will be 3 rupee only. So you can take directly 5 rupees coin. You can color with your favorite color, children. Now 30 rupees. What is the cost of toy scooter? 30 rupees. Now take 20 rupees note. So how much is more required? 20 rupees already we colored. So more required is 10 rupees. So there is no 10 rupees note or coin, but 2 5 rupees are there. So color 5 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin. So what is the amount? Total amount 20 plus 5 25, again plus 5 30. Got it? Next 172. For that just I am taking 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note, 10 rupees note, and more how much is required? 100 plus 50, 150 plus 20, 170 plus 2, 172. Coming to next one. Observe and answer the following. So what is the cost of ball? 55 rupees. What is the cost of drum? 700 rupees. What is the cost of like a musical instrument? 90 rupees. And the violin is 300 rupees. Now coming to how many rupees 5 rupees coin should save to buy the ball. So how many are required? How many 5 rupees are required? 5 rupee coins are required to buy the ball. So here how many 5s are there? How many 5s are there? So here total how much is there, children? 55 rupees. 55 rupees. So how many are required to buy, children? So that is we required 11 5 rupee coins. 5 rupee coins. How many? 11 5 rupee coins. 11 5 rupee coins are required to buy the ball. Got it? So how we are doing that one? We have to divide. We get the 11 5 rupees coins. Okay. How many rupees 100 notes should save to buy? What is the cost of drums? What is the cost of drum? 700 rupees. How many 100 rupees are there in 700? See. How many are there? What is the cost of drums? Cost of given instrument is given instrument is meant is 700. So how many 100 rupee notes are required? So we required how many hundreds are there in 700? How many hundreds are there, children? How many hundreds are there? There are 700 rupee notes are there. There are 700 rupee notes are there. Okay, how many 10 rupee notes are required to buy this musical instrument? So, what is the cost of the given instrument? 90. So, how many 9s are there in 90? How many 10s are there in 90? 10. Okay, there we required what is the cost? Cost is rupees 90 rupees. We required how many tens are there, children, in 90? So you know the 10 table. So 9 tens 90. Okay, so how many tens are there? 9 tens. So we required 9 10 rupee notes. 10 rupee notes. Okay, now how many rupees? 50 notes are required to buy. So what is the given instrument? Musical instrument. And what is the cost? The cost of given musical instrument is 300. Guitar. So cost of guitar is rupees 300. How much? 300. So we require how many 50 notes are there in 300? How many 50 notes are there in 300? So we have to divide. So what you will get? 6 notes will be get. So we required 6 50 notes. Because you know that one 5 6 how much, children? 5 6 are 30. Like 56 are 300. 56 are 300. Got it, children? Okay. Once again practice these all sums, children.